So this week I was helping out Deb and Andy, and we were looking closely at the Ensuite. So we decided to use strip lighting behind the mirror and under the basin as an accent, but it also works as a functional light to allow you to put your makeup on and shave without any shadowing. There's different strip lighting that you can use for different areas in the bathroom. We recommend going with an IP rated strip generally if it's about 65 and above, just so that in case it does get splashed with water, it's fully functional.